Hello everyone, Hind here from PhiShop, and today we are looking closely into our PhiLaser Type R 2.0. Are you looking for a machine that can treat tattoo removal, age spots, removal of pigments, and hyperpigmentation? This is the machine for you. As we are always looking into improving our products, this new machine has an improved pulse duration. It is 4 times quicker. So instead of having a pulse of 8 nanoseconds, our new PhiLaser Type R 2.0 has just a duration of 2 nanoseconds. Why? Because the shorter pulse shreds the particles finer, and by that it allows the immune cells to remove them more easily. Does this machine with the new technology work on all skin types? The answer is yes. It is actually perfect to treat a very wide range of skin issues without influence on the skin itself. What does this machine do? It performs various tattoo and pigmentation removal treatments, such as eyebrow tattoo removal, hyperpigmentations removal, regular tattoos removal, as well as age spots. It also performs carbon peel treatment, stimulating skin cells repairing and clearing pores. Do you want more? In this version, there is a new tool holder, so emptying water out of the machine is now way easier. And now, let us see what you will receive when you order the machine. Of course, at first, we see the PhiLaser machine. You didn't expect that one, right? Second, you will receive 3 heads. The first one is the black head with 1320 nanometer wavelength. This head is used for carbon peeling. Before starting the treatment, clean the skin of your patient gently. Then, put the carbon gel in a thin layer on the skin. As you see here, actually, you would receive 2 carbon gel with 100 milliliter each. And you will find 2 glasses in the box, as seen here. Those 2 glasses. And please use both during treatment. And after the treatment, clean the face from mask residues. And this treatment of the carbon peeling can be done every 2 weeks. The second metal head is a 1064 nanometer wavelength. It should be used in the treatment of the black and blue pigment. Before the treatment date, the client should not be exposed to the sun for 4 weeks. And during the treatment, the skin should be cleaned and prepared. Always make sure that there are no medical problems on the skin. Of course, you have to explain the whole treatment process to the client, and then, as long as the machine is turned on, both you and the client have to wear the glasses. This kind of treatment can be done every 6 weeks. Of course, you can offer your client to use our skin candy products after the treatments. And lastly, we have the green head with 532 nanometer wavelength. This laser should be used in the treatment of the brown and red pigment. This wavelength is different than the one we saw before of the silver head, because this head is made in a way that the hemoglobin and man-made brown or red pigments absorb the laser with a wavelength of 532 nanometer. When receiving the machine, you will of course have a manual with it that will take you carefully through all the steps needed to install and work with this machine. And now, some cautions you have to take. Of course, never look at the hole of the laser gun. Never use mineral or tap water with this machine. Always use purified or distilled water. And change the water once a month. Use the machine when everything is ready. And when you start hearing weird sounds, immediately stop the machine. Et voilà! This is everything we have for the new PhiLaser machine Type R 2.0. Do you still have any questions? Put them in the comment box below and we will get back to you. Adios!